Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode. Okay, so we can take a look at this option bar. We have to open the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this 3 bars icon, and the second option is connected with the timer. We've got 3 options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately notified in the shutter button, so all you have to do is to tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just enter the 3 bars icon again and tap on off. And tap on off. Okay, and from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.